So today I'm going to show you how to make this herbal infused shampoo that will help repair damaged hair, stimulate hair growth, and improve the overall health of your hair. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So our first product for today is beetroot. Beetroot has similar vitamins and minerals like that of dandruff. It contains zinc, iron, magnesium, potassium, which helps to stimulate growth. So I decided to dice my beetroot before transferring it into the blender. Then I added some water. Then I added some neem leaf, which helps to condition your scalp. It also promotes healthy hair growth. The next product is my hibiscus flower, which also helps to treat dandruff and itchy scalp. And I also added my rosemary, which helps to boost blood circulation to scalp, which stimulates hair growth. So once you're done adding everything into the blender, you're going to blend everything. So it's not done infusing, so I'm going to be putting it in the microwave so it can heat up and infuse properly. So once it's done infusing, you're just going to sieve it to remove all the chaff and impurities because we're only going to be using the juice. So I'm going to be splitting this into two because I'm going to be using half to create my black soap shampoo and the other half to make this moisturizing shampoo. So I'm going to be using my castile soap and my cocoa midopropyl. I hope I didn't murder the name. Like I said, I'm going to be using half of this. So I have a total of about 900 ml. So I'm going to be using 450 for this first shampoo. So I handpicked all these products because of all the benefits you can get from them. Like I said, it's going to help treat dandruff, boost blood circulation to scalp, and improve the overall health of your hair. So now that I have my first 450 ml, I'm going to be preparing a slurry paste. So I'm using about 1.5 grams of my xanthan gum, then about 8 mils of my glycerin to create a slurry paste before transferring it into my fluid to create a viscous fluid just like this. So I'm going to be adding some emulsifiers. You do not have to use all three emulsifiers. You can use just emulsifying wax. You do not have to use the rest of the two. So the emulsifier is going to help bind my oil and water phase together so it can appear as one fluid. So once you're done adding all your emulsifiers, we're going to be melting them. You can choose to do the double boiling method or use microwave to melt it. I don't know why I was thinking I'll be able to mix it in this measuring cup, so I ended up transferring it into this bowl. It's still a bit warm right now, that's why it's looking this fluidy, but it's going to get thicker after. So I allowed it to cool down for about an hour and now it's looking a lot viscous. So now I'm going to be adding the rest of my product like my castile soap and my cocoa midopropyl. This is actually the right amount you should add if you want to have more lather, but I actually do not have enough quantity. I'm using less quantity than what I'm actually showing you guys, but this is the right amount you should add. I also added my preservative because this is a water-based fluid. You're definitely going to need some preservative. Then I added my fragrances. You do not have to use the exact fragrances and essential oils that I am using. Use whatever you have. Once you're done, you're going to be using your spoon to mix, and that's it. Your shampoo is ready. Very simple, very easy. So I'm going to show you guys how I try to use this shampoo on my hair. So for the first wash, definitely it's not going to lather so much because I actually used my okra detangling cream to detangle my hair, but eventually it's going to lather very well and you guys are going to see that. And yeah, I like to wash my hair in sections. This way it's going to help me reduce frizz and tangles during my wash period, and I leave my hair in sections throughout the entire period. Let me know what you think of this recipe in the comment section, if this is something you would like to try or if you have done it, how it's going. And this is what my hair looks like right now. It's not dry, it's just the right amount of clean. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.